let's think big data. Big data and analytics. So another example of partnership between HPE and Microsoft is we work with the SQL 2019 team, the Project Eris folks, reinventing SQL to now be SQL, your old friend, RDBMS, together with big data, clustered, growing large, sitting as your core asset with machine learning, artificial intelligence attached. You do a T-SQL query into that. Do you think that that's just going into this generic function box that spits you out an answer? Well, you could build it that way, but it would be a slow system with business intelligence that's not as good as you wanted it to be. So instead, what we do is we partner with JG, Rohan, and all those folks, and we say, okay, which of our servers, maybe the Apollo 2K servers belong on the heavy-duty analytics part of your infrastructure, and we'll take ProLiant and we'll put those in some of your mainstream, and we'll put Apollo 2K with GPU-heavy loads in another part of your infrastructure, and we'll tie it together so that when you deploy a new customer, each of these infrastructure components understands its role in the Microsoft architecture and deploys itself that way, both initially and over time. It doesn't matter if the end user of this system knows that that happened or not. What matters is that when they get the system, they brag to their colleagues that mine's better than yours, right? And it's not just because what HPE builds, and it's not just because of what Microsoft builds. I would argue that there's a magic place between the two companies where if we just take those two best together. So when I listen to a conversation like this, there's all kinds of business models here that you guys are experts in that I'm not experts in, but there's this edge where Microsoft and HPE are making investments that you'll get the benefit out of.